What up, yo? It is Ingle Trades here. I'm going to be breaking down the trade that I took that made me about $9,500, about $5,500 on my fundeds, and about $4,000 on my evaluations on Top Step, so about $9,500 in total. This was the trade that I took right here. I'll show you guys right here, Top Step and Alpha Futures, so y'all can have proof of my executions because we don't be capping around here. But let me just pretty much break down this trade real quick so y'all can see what I was looking at. Now coming into today, honestly, I was not sure where price was going to go. We had draws below price, we had draws above price. So what do we do in that situation? We let price do its thing. If we missed the move, we missed the move. We didn't lose anything. But if price takes out one set of liquidity and the other one is a lot more clear, then that's what we got to do. Just be patient. Basically, we had 4-hour bearish SMT. ES swept all these highs right here, while NQ didn't on the 4-hour time frame. I'll show you. So, yep, bearish SMT. I was like, okay, cool. We come down to the hourly time frame. NQ was in a bearish hour fair value gap right here. Now, we had London session highs, and also on the 15-minute time frame, we did have a new day opening gap right here. Market was kind of consolidating during the AM session or London session all right here. So I really wasn't sure if we were going to take out these highs or what we also had down here. We had previous day New York AM and then previous day Asian lows as well. So I was not sure where price was going to go. That's why I was saying we be patient, like we stay patient in these situations and then let price play out so we have a better understanding where it's going to go. Who the fuck is texting my phone? Don't do that shit again. All right. So pretty much, where was I? Okay, we're on the 15-minute time frame. Now, yes, on here. What happened? Market opened, and we actually, right at market open, we inversed these two bullish 15-minute fair value gaps right here. Those are the only really bullish PDRAs around price, and we inversed them. And I was like, okay, bet. We also had a change of state delivery on the higher time frames as well with 15 minutes with these closures down here. I was like, okay, cool. Now, at first, I actually missed a really good trade. Well, I don't know if I'd call it really good in my book. I know I saw a lot of people actually took this. Was not my kind of trade. Let me see. So, okay, we come down to the 1 minute. Here's the trade that I know a lot of people actually took. We came up into this 15-minute fair value gap, and we swept internal liquidity right here. ES did not sweep these internal highs while the Nasdaq did, and then we had a 1 minute IFVG to the downside with these equal lows down here. I know a lot of people took that. Honestly, I was not paying attention. I was scrolling on reels during this, which I think I learned my lesson not to do that, but it did play out in my favor because I did take a better trade that I liked a lot more. The only thing was with this one, I saw a lot of people take. It was this right here, shorts to these equal lows. I'll just kind of put it on here. Like I said, I did not take this, but I know a lot of people did. The only reason I didn't take it, it was also like I was still unsure if we were going to be coming up to these highs or coming back down because we had a V-shaped recovery right there. Also, we had no bullish, I don't know what I'm talking about. We did have bearish S&T coming down. It was just like I wasn't completely sure yet. Now what happened is we came all the way down, swept out these highs, and had another internal bearish SMT right here with NQ sweeping these internal highs. ES did not. And the reason why I took this entry right here, we had a 3-minute IFVG of a bullish candle that we inversed with this candle right here at 10:02. This candle also traded out of a 1 minute fair value gap. It was a nice displacement candle that inversed to 3. And I took that, and my target was equal lows or relative equal lows on the 15-minute time frame. So these were my targets right here, these lows. I know I could have taken them all the way to New York AM low. It's just, man, we're in December, and this is a 2.6 or 2.5 RR trade. Like, I'm going to just take my dub with that. You know, I don't need nothing crazy. Piece of the pie here. We don't need to catch the whole move. But basically, literally zero drawdown, smacked the trade. Perfect day for the most part. So I hope y'all went well. I hope y'all took your trades, took your dubs. If you hit your stop loss today, don't worry. Don't give up yet. I know it's tough in December, but pretty much that was the day. I hope y'all hit your trades, but your boy is out.